Hello everyone, today we will solve this question, which is find the value of a and b in under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1, which is equal to a plus b root 3. So we can write this question as a plus b root 3, which is LHS, equal to RHS, which is under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1. So now we can take the RHS. Now we will rationalize this one. In rationalization, we see the denominator sign. If here it is plus, so the opposite of plus is minus, so we will multiply it by under root 3 minus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1. Now as we can see that an identity is being formed, which is a minus b square, a minus b whole square, which is under root 3 minus 1's whole square, upon again an identity is being formed. We can say a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Now let's expand it. Under root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 into a into b upon under root 3 into under root 3 we get 3. 1 square is 1. Now putting the value of a and b, we can get 2 into under root 3 into 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Now further solving this, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Now we can write it in a short form, which is this, in which 2 2's are 4, and under root 3 into 2 we get 2 root 3 upon 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled by this, so LHS, RHS. In LHS we already had taken a plus b root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3. So we have got a value. So here we can say that a is equal to 2 and b, which is plus root 3, and here we have minus root 3, so they both will cancel, and we can have that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. Thank you everyone.